Hi everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs, and this is my car with an automatic transmission. This particular car happens to be a 2014 Mazda 3. What I want to show you in this video is how you can move the car a few inches if you need to move it without having to start the car. For example, it's in the winter time and it's freezing outside and the door to your garage is closed and you don't want to start the car and let all that cold air in. But there's not a big enough space in front of the car for you to get there and open the hood. So how do you back the car up just a few inches without starting it in an enclosed garage? Of course, this technique could work anywhere. Now, one thing I want to make sure that you know up front is that you need to have a working battery for this technique to work. The battery doesn't have to be strong enough to start the car, but it will need to have some charge in it to work. Everything else is inside the car. Let me show you what's happening in there. To make this work, you will need the car's key fob so that it recognizes you. This technique will only work if you have the key fob. Sit in the car and do not step on the brake pedal. If you step on the brake and press the start button, the car will start, and we don't want the car to start. Therefore, do not step on the brake pedal. Press the start button so that the accessories come on. Then press the start button again. Once you have pressed the start button twice, step on the brake pedal. The light on the start button should turn green. While you are stepping on the brake pedal, shift the car out of park and into neutral. Release the emergency brake and you can now push the car. If you're on a hill, you can simply let the car roll, but be careful that you may not have full brake power without the engine running. Once you get the car where you want it, apply the emergency brake and shift into park to make sure the car does not move any further. Press the start button to turn off the car. If you do not turn off the car, the battery will run down fairly quickly. And that's all it takes to get the car started. Now, the impulse will be strong to step on the brake pedal initially. Obviously, you can't do that. And that's it. Just follow those steps and it's easy to move. Hey everybody, I'm Bob Kovacs. Thanks for watching.